Hi dear all, would you like to learn Stata? If you want to learn Stata, this course is for you. When you finish, you will know how to use Stata well and feel confident. We explain everything in a very simple way so beginner can understand easily and learn step by step. So there are 42 videos and we explain with example and I share the example data as well as do file. So if you would like to write manuscript or report, then this course for you. So I would request you to enroll this course to learn Stata. And I will share the course link in the video description. Thank you very much.